Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jules and welcome to my channel. So, today we are tinting our eyebrows. So this isn't my first time tinting. I actually attempted to tint my eyebrows last week and I tried to do it with a henna product and I don't think it was the correct product for what the results that I wanted. So I wanted a product that was actually gonna stain my skin because first of all, I look crazy today. I've been running around like crazy. I went to the gym today, I went to work, I've just been sweating all day, so sorry that I look crazy and bananas right now, but it is what it is. But anyways, besides that, I have some makeup on my eyebrows right now, and they're kind of almost like coming off, but I'm gonna take it off, and you guys are gonna see that I only have like about half an eyebrow, and that's because I took off the hair right here, and that's because I wanted to have a little bit more of like a feathered out eyebrow, a little bit more straighter, instead of having it go down, because then it pulls my whole face down. So I like when it's a little bit straighter, a little bit more of like a cat eye appearance, kind of like, you know, like that Bella Hadid kind of look, you know, nice and snatched. But today we're gonna use a product that I actually found on Amazon. So the other one that I brought on Amazon, like I said, it was a henna product, did not work at all. Like it was so bad. Like I took it off and I was so disappointed that it didn't work. But to be honest, I didn't do much research on that product and I actually got a blonde color, so I don't really think, you know, obviously with the blonde color, I think maybe with like a dark brown color it would have worked, but I chose a blonde color because I didn't want it to come out too dark. This time I made sure I didn't make the same mistake, so I got a different product, and this one I actually researched and made sure that it actually stains your skin, so that way it will look like I have an eyebrow, right? And it's called Godfroid. I want to say Godfroid, but I got this Godfroid tint kit, and it's for coloring your hair, but I did research and it actually does stain your skin, so it'll be a nice way to actually tint your eyebrow hairs. It comes in this really cute box. I will show you guys right here. So on Amazon Prime, it's $20.95. And inside the box, it has a developer. So you'll see this developer right here. See it. Hopefully you guys can see it with the light. It comes with this developer. It comes with these little color capsules, as you'll see right here. It comes with this little mixing cup. It comes with this nice angled brush, which is really, really cool. I really like the fact that it comes with an angled brush. I do have my own. I might use my own just because it might be sharper than this one, but this is really awesome that it comes with the box, and it also comes with a comb. I think this is actually for really dyeing your roots. It doesn't say eyebrows specifically, but I saw online. Hold on one second. Oh, it's a scalp and facial hair, so it is meant for eyebrows. Duh. But, and I said I researched this. But it says it covers most resistant gray hair for up to 6 weeks. I don't know if that's for skin. I don't think that counts as staining your skin up to 6 weeks. But I heard from what research I've done online that it lasts about a week, which I'm pretty cool with. I always wanted to get microblading, but you know, with microblading, it's semi-permanent. And I've actually microbladed my eyebrows myself because I am crazy. But yeah, don't microblade your eyebrows yourself. But anyway, I did microblade my eyebrows, and it lasted for about, I would say like a year, but it just wasn't like a professional job. So I just wanted to do something that's a little bit more permanent. You guys know that I'm a personal trainer, so I'm always on the go. I'm always sweaty, and you know, I get oily during the day because I am sweating, so my eyebrows tend to sometimes kind of start coming off like they are right now. This is like prime example of what happens to my makeup during the week, which is why a lot of times, sometimes I just don't even wear makeup during the week because it's just kind of like, it's just, there's no point to it, you know? So we're gonna get started. So the color I got in it was in dark brown, and we're actually gonna mix it together. So this time, last time when I did the other product, I didn't even read the directions all the way. So this time I'm gonna make sure that I read all of the directions this time so I do it correctly. So it says you can perform like an allergy test, you know, do a little skin test before you use this product. If you guys were thinking about using it, just make sure you do a little skin patch test, you know, so you don't have any allergic reactions to it. It says that you need to cleanse the area before treating it. So it says you should clean it with soap and water, but I'm really, really lazy and I'm probably not going to do that. Here I am, not following directions again. But I'm actually just gonna clean my eyebrows and my skin with a makeup wipe, and then I'm gonna use some alcohol just to kind of completely get all the oils off my skin. I actually got Botox not too long ago for my angry 11s, so I'm trying not to be too harsh with rubbing my skin. I can't tell you guys that I get so oily during the day. I used to have such dry skin and now I get so oily, and obviously, like I said, it's because of the exercising and because I'm running around all day like a freaking crazy person. But everything just gets so shiny and my eyebrows just melt right off, and it just annoys the out of me because I have like half eyebrows right now. So that's not cute. It's not a cute look. So I just want something that's a little bit more, will last throughout the week and not slide off my face. So I'm gonna take some alcohol and we're gonna wipe off my face. Trying to be gentle. I'm so rough with my face. So now that we've done that, it says we can prepare a small test solution using color capsule and equal parts of developer, approximately half a capful, and mix in a small plastic or glass bowl. So we're just gonna use the little cup it gave us. It says to put half the developer in there, so half the cup. So I'm gonna pour in half the cup. You guys can see. So I think that's about half the cup. It's very creamy, so I'm feeling that it's gonna be very hard to control this product. You know, when you use like pomade, you're able to get really nice like sharp stroke tips. I was wondering if I should do this like more block style, like faded block, but I kind of wanted to do hair stroke, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it with this kind of like texture because it's gonna be a little bit too creamy. It would need to be thicker consistency. I guess I could put less developer in there, but it's kind of too late already. Oh my God, it says the process time is 1 to 2 minutes. That's insane. That is so quick. That makes me so nervous. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in, you guys, so you can see what I'm doing. Oh my God. I literally have 2 minutes to get one eyebrow done. Jesus. So I'm gonna mix the product in. Oh, you see, I don't read the directions though. Okay, scratch that, guys. It says mix an equal part of developer, approximately 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so I did way more than 1/4 of a teaspoon. So I actually just wasted a bunch of developer. I don't know why I do these things for you guys because I am not any help. So I did put 1/4 teaspoon now, so I think that should be better. It's so good that you guys can't see my table right now because it's disgusting. Alrighty, let's give this a whirl. It's kind of hard to do this on camera. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get those thin like strokes. We're gonna try. So we're gonna go like this. Hopefully you guys can see. And I can do this without messing up. Honestly, it probably would have been better if I mapped out my eyebrows first. So if I actually like measured it and made the actual measurements perfect. Crap, I need to get Q-tips. I'll be right back. Okay, I ran to the bathroom so hard because I know this is supposed to stain your skin. So I might end up redoing this part that has no hair in it. And I'm actually gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna do the end last. It's so hard to do this on camera. If you guys don't know, I'm so impatient and impulsive sometimes. And I just do stuff without even giving it a second thought. And I feel like I just should have planned out my shape a little better. Okay, it looks so bad on camera, but it doesn't look that bad in person, I think. I think it looks worse than camera. I don't know. Maybe not. You guys can tell me. But we're gonna keep going. Supposedly it gets pretty dark, so this is when I'm gonna start doing my hair-like strokes. So I'm not gonna fill in. I don't like blocky brows. Even though this part is kind of blocky, like I don't want the front blocky. That's just not cute to me. That's not my vibe. So we're not gonna do that. Alright guys, so this is what my eyebrows are looking like. I'm gonna go in and see if I can like kind of clean up the edges a little bit more. But it's not too bad. This brow came out better because it's so, I don't know, this brow, you know, one brow always comes out better than the other, but this brow came out pretty good. So I'm gonna do this one and then I'm gonna fix it up and then I'll come back and you guys will see the results. Okay guys, so I've waited about probably I would say like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna see how it is. I'm scared it's gonna be too dark. I'm scared it's gonna come off. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, so it definitely stained the skin, and it definitely tinted the eyebrows, so it did way more than the other product did that I used from Amazon. However, I think I'm gonna go in again because the end is not as dark as I would like it to be. This is what they're looking like. This one does not look so good. This one looks not too bad though, I'm not gonna lie. That's always the good brow. You know, like there's the evil twin and there's the good twin. This is the good brow, so. But this one actually came out to pretty good. Actually, you see how it stained the skin. It looked pretty good. This side, not so much. This tends to be like the more difficult brow, but I'm gonna try to do at the ends just to try to get the skin a little bit more darker where the hair is not there. But yeah, I'll meet you guys in 2 more minutes and we're gonna see what it looks like again. Okay guys, so we are back. I waited probably about 15 more minutes. I'm gonna wipe the rest of this off so you can see what it looks like. Oh. So this time it came out a lot better. This is what it is looking like. I don't know, what do you guys think? This eyebrow looks really good. This one looks okay. I think because it has less hair on it, it doesn't look as good as this one over here. It actually kind of looks still a little bit lighter than the other side. But I love the shading it gave me inside my brow. They definitely look a lot thicker and fluffier. So I definitely like that. So what are my end thoughts about this product? So this Godfrey product, I would say it's a pretty good product for tinting your eyebrows. It definitely did the trick. The only cons I would probably say about this product, this tinting kit, is that I feel like if you don't have really brows, or if you have really dark brows like I do, and you don't have any hair, just know that it's not going to be obviously as dark as maybe you would want it, but I still like it a lot because I know that I'm probably gonna still end up putting in my eyebrows, but I know that if I sweat during the day, it's still gonna look a lot better because there's actually pigment underneath, you know what I'm saying? So I think this is really good for the girl that already kind of has eyebrows in and just wants it to have a little bit more of a filled, shaded look. But if you really don't have any eyebrows, this might not be the best solution for you. It might not give you the results you want. See, this eyebrow I actually love, and this one I'm just like, I might put some more tint on there and then kind of go from there. But besides that, guys, I think it's actually a pretty good product. I would definitely rate it probably like a 3.5, 4 out of 5 stars. It actually has 4 stars on Amazon, but I think it did a pretty good job. It did what it said. It did a lot better than the other henna kit that I got. Like I said, I don't think that kit was really meant, that kit really was supposed to give me the results that I wanted, you know. I kind of was expecting too much from it, but I feel like this one actually did the job. I might actually do it a third time because I'm crazy right at the end just to see if it'll get any darker. But besides that, I really do like the results and I think it did a pretty good job. I'm really not complaining, you know? So comment down below, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel where I do lots of different DIYs. Usually I have Anthony on here as well. We actually kind of share the channel together. That is my boyfriend. So please subscribe, put that notification bell on so you guys can see other DIY and beauty hacks. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you in the next one. Bye.